Welcome student. In this video, here we have to study practice set 6.1 for class 10. Now example number 9. Here we have studied in previous video example up to 8. Then like this example 9, if tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to 2, then show that tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 2. Now take first, here given tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to 2. Then taking square on both sides. Now tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta whole square is equal to 2 square. Here write down, taking squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Now here use basic formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Applying this formula, tan square theta plus 2 into tan theta into 1 upon tan theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to square of 2 is 4. Here tan theta cancel. Tan square theta plus 2 plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 4. Then next step, tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Then tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 2, which is the required result. Now here example number 10, tan a upon 1 plus tan square whole square plus cot a upon 1 plus cot square a whole square is equal to sin a into cos a. Now here take first LHS. Tan A upon 1 plus tan square A whole square plus cot A upon 1 plus cot square A whole square. Now taking LHS, tan A upon, using basic identities, we know 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Now replace 1 plus tan square A, sec square A whole square plus cot A upon, using this identity, cosec square A whole square. Then tan A divided by sec 4 raised to A plus cot A divided by cosec 4 raised to A. Then using, now write tan theta in terms of sin and cos is equal to sin A upon cos A divided by sec 4 raised to A, relation between sec 1 upon cos 4 raised to A. Now in second bracket plus cos A upon sin A divided by relation between cosec and sin 1 upon sin 4 raised to e. Then next sin A upon cos A, divide, change into multiply, then replace cos 4 raised to e plus cos A upon sin A, multiply, divide, change into multiply, then sin 4 raised to e. Here cos A cancel, 4 raised to cancel q, sin A cancel, here cancel 4q, equal to sin A into cos cube A plus cos A into sin cube A. Then after this, now taking common sin into cos, sin A into cos A, in bracket cos square A plus sin square A. Then also we know sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Identity. Here angle change, sin square theta cos square theta, we know that the basic identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then taking 1, then sin A into cos A is equal to 1, and which is the RHS, which is the LHS is equal to RHS sin A into cos A. This is the simple example. Here tan A, cot A, using basic identity, replace this sec square theta, cosec square theta. Now this form ratio written in a division form, then replacing this value, division sign is replaced by multiply, means भागिले उलट गुणिले, भागिले उलट गुणिले. इथे आपण कॉमन काढलं साइन ए कॉस ए, साइन ए कॉस ए इथून जर कॉमन निघलं तर या ठिकाणी राहील फक्त कॉस स्क्वेअर ए. इथे आपण कॉमन काढलं साइन ए इंटू कॉस ए, इथं साइन स्क्वेअर ए राहिलं. आता ही आयडेंटिटीची किंमत 1, म्हणजे हे काय आलं RHS. LHS इज इक्वल टू RHS. Example number 11. Sec 4 raised to A in bracket 1 minus sin square A minus 2 tan square A is equal to 1. Here LHS and RHS. First take LHS. Sec 4 raised to A in bracket 1 minus sin square A minus 2 tan square A. Here given a LHS. Then here taking mistake, sin 4 raised to A, sin 4 raised to A. Then sec 4 raised to A, the relation between sec and cos 1 upon cos 4 raised to A. Now 1 minus sin 4 raised to A, we know expansion a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Using this identity or formula, 1 minus sin square a, 1 plus sin square a. minus 2 tan square. Then 1 upon cos 4 raised to a into 1 minus sin square a using basic identity. Cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. Then replace here cos square a in bracket 1 plus sin square a minus tan square written in sin and cos form, sin square a upon cos square a. Here cos raised to 4, here 4 cancel, cos square cancel. Then 1 minus sin square a upon cos square a minus 2 sin square a upon cos square a. Here denominator same, therefore 1 plus sin square a minus 2 sin square a upon cos square a. Then taking subtraction, 2 sin square a plus sin square a, 1 minus sin square a upon cos square a. Then also using identity, cos square is equal to 1 minus sin square. Then replace 1 minus sin square is equal to cos square a upon cos square a. Then same quantity is equal to 1 and is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Here in practice set 6.1, last example, when tan theta upon sec theta minus 1 is equal to tan theta plus sec theta plus 1, tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Now this is the different method for prove this identity or equation. First choose the identity 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Now then tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Tan square theta is equal to minus 1. Then tan square theta, tan theta into tan theta, like this, sec theta plus 1 into sec theta minus 1. Now tan theta upon sec theta minus 1 is equal to sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta. This the arrangement. After this, by using theorem on equal ratio, first ratio tan theta upon sec theta minus 1 is equal to second ratio sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to addition of this ratio tan theta plus sec theta plus 1 upon sec theta minus 1 plus tan theta. Then rearrangement, tan theta plus sec theta plus 1 divided by tan theta plus sec theta minus 1, which is the required result. First, apply the identity. Now, arrange the identity in this type and 2 ratio. Then using theorem on equal ratio, this result is shown. आता हे व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला पसंत पडला असेल, तुमच्या मित्रांना सर्वांना शेअर करा, लाईक करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. म्हणजे तुम्हाला नवीन नवीन व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला यानंतरचे माझे पुन्हा आपल्या यूट्यूब चॅनलला पाहायला भेटतील. थँक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस प्रॅक्टिस सेट अँड व्हिडिओ.